Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Perdana, and I will present my paper. The title is Database Design. Database design is a rule to designing database using diagram before we create the real database. There are 6 steps of designing database. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. The first step is identifying entities. Entities can be an event or location, or it can be a product, or it can be a person. And we are using these 5 entities as example. So we have customers, product, shops, vendor, and sales. The second step is identifying relationship. So we have 4 relationship. That is one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship, and many-to-many relationship. I will take products to shops as example. Product to shop have many-to-many relationship, which means that many products can be associated with many shops. The third step is identifying attributes. Attributes is an element that we want to input in our entity, or it can be the detail about the entity. I will take a customer as example. The customer have customer number, name, and address attributes. The fourth step is assigning keys. We have to assign the primary key and foreign key. Primary key is an identifier for entities, which foreign key is a reference from other entities. If you take a look at sales entities, we have customer number as foreign key, which means that is a reference from the customer entities. The fifth step is defining the attributes data type. There are many data type, but the standard one is integer for numeric. We have integer, float, we have small int, that's for numeric data type, and varchar for alphabetical data type. The sixth step is normalization. Normalization is done to reduce the redundancy of the table. If you take a look at the cells, this is not normal because we have 3 products in one cell. Imagine that we have 10 products in one cell. We have to add the new product one by one, so it will take a time to do it. So in order to normalize it, we have to create the sales details entity or table. That is for one normal form. And the second normal form is if we have the attributes that can be dependent, we have to separate it and create a new table for it. As we can see here, that product number and sales number are separated, so in sales detail there are dependencies on it. So that's the 2 normal form. The third normal form is same as 2 normal form. If we still have the attributes that can be dependent, we can separate it too by using the third normal form. We can do the non-normal form as much as possible because there are many more data in real life, so but the standard one is 3 normal form. And here is the normal, and here is the image, if we do the normalization, as we can see that we have manufacturer table or MPP, because manufacturer can be dependent. Oh, I think that's it from me. The conclusion is there are rules to designing the database, and we must know the rules in order to make a good quality system. I think that's all from me. Um, Sorry for the convenience, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.